Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to do unboxing, as you can see from the title. Okay, so I got a package from Oomynails. Okay, they actually contacted me if I would like to do a review on their product, and I said yes. So I sent my details to them and everything, and they actually brought the item. Okay, so this is it. This is how it came. All right, so I've not opened it. I want to open it with you guys. Okay, so if you're new here, my name is Estalia. I'm a Ghanaian YouTuber, and this channel is about lifestyle and natural skincare, remedy, and any other thing in between, because this time I'm going all around. Okay, so if you like what you're seeing, just hit on the subscribe button and notification bell, so each time I upload you'll be notified. Okay, and to my old subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys so much. Okay, thank you for sharing out my video, commenting, liking, and all that. Thank you. All right. So without much of talking, let's dive into the video. Okay, so this is how the package came in. Okay, thank you. All right, so okay, this is how it looks. It came in, they actually asked me to pick what I like, and I picked this one. So they gave me 3 instead of 5. They asked me to pick 5. They gave me 3 instead of 5, so it's not bad because I'm not paying. I'm okay with it. So this is the second one. I really love the packaging. Okay, so it's coming 24 nails, mini nails bar, prep pad, medicure stick, and 48 adhesive tab. Okay, so they have the instructions here and how to fix it. Okay, and all that. All right, so guys, this is the second one, and this is the third one. I love this one. I really love this one. This is so beautiful. Yeah, so this is press-on nose tip. Okay, and it comes in 25, so I said 24 pieces. Okay, and you can contact them on Instagram, Oomynails officials, Facebook, Oomynails, and yeah. Okay, so let's open. I really love this one too. It's very, but I don't want to wear long nails this time. Okay, so I'm going to go in for this. Let's open and see what is inside here. Okay, so this is the file here, and I think this is this one. I don't know the use of this. They have, I don't know whether you can see. Okay, let me open it because we are unboxing. So it came with this. Okay, I think this one is for you push your cuticles or whatever the name is. Okay, so this is what I hope you can see now. Okay, it's coming with this one. I don't know the name, and also so with the menu file with that you can see. And I think this one is the glue. Yeah, this is what you use to attach on your nails. Okay, I think this is it. I don't know. If you know the name, let me know in the comment section. Okay guys, all right, I think it is written here. Okay, medicure stick. This is medicure stick and 24 adhesive tab here. So that is it, guys. This is, I think this is the adhesive tab they are talking of. Okay, and guys, oh my god, just look at it. This look beautiful, look cute, very cute, very cute nails. I love it. Okay, and this is the alcohol pad thing. Hope you can see. All right, so that is it for you guys. So I'm about to prep my nails to wear these cute and beautiful nails from Oomynails. Thank you guys, thank you Oomynails for this beautiful gift. Okay, thank you so much. So now I'm pushing back my cuticles using the manicure stick. Yeah, I think I got it right here. I'm not a nail technician, so this type of names are not my thing. Okay, so as you can see, I'm still pushing it back. Okay, so we have a beautiful nails on. Right, so guys, I chose these short ones because I just removed long nails, so I feel like wearing this. Meanwhile, I'll post the longer ones. If I wear, I'll post it on the screen for you guys to see the difference. Okay, so now I'm just taking off the back edge, oh my god. All right, so now I'm filing it. I'm filing my nails to get a neater nails to wear these cuties. And this came with the mini file and the manicure stick and also the alcohol pad. Okay, so now I'm choosing the right ones for my nails. Have it now. So I'm using the adhesive, I've forgotten the rest of the name. Forgive me, guys. All right, as I said, I'm not a nail technician, so these names are not in my head. Forgive me. So I'm placing it on before, and this holds very tightly. It doesn't shake, it doesn't move. I really love it. I love it, and it's very easy to apply in no time. Under 5 minutes, guys, you are done and your nails will be looking splendid, guys. So I'll be leaving their links in the description box, so contact them and get yours. Okay, guys, I'm done. Just have a look at it. This is so cute. I really love it, guys. Oh my god, I can't wait to try the longer ones, especially this one. I can't wait to try this one. Oh, so this is the outcome. It looks very cute. So they have a lot of designs. They have a lot on their website. I'm going to put it here so you visit them. Oomynails, www.oomynails. I'm just going to put it there. And then their Instagram page is Oomynails official, and Facebook too is Oomynails official. Okay, so guys, check them out and order for yours. This is very simple to apply. It's not something that is stressful. Very simple, and it's not shaky. This holds very well. Yes, and I know it's going to last for a long time. All right, so thank you guys, thank you so much if you have watched till this stage. I'm loving the nails. Oh my god. So if you have watched till this day, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment and share with friends and family. Catch you in my next video. Bye bye.